Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Geography. Today we'll discuss one new chapter. The chapter name is Water Resources and Type of Irrigation. So this is our today's topic. Let's start our question answer session. Today's first question: what for irrigation is available from? Options: rain, rivers and spring, underground water, and last one, all of this. What will be the correct answer? All three are correct, so option D is correct. Now we come to the next question, question number 2. In the uneven and relatively rocky plateau of peninsular India, where rainfall is also highly seasonal, people have restored two options: wells and tubewells, tanks, canal, and all of the above. Think what will be the right answer? The answer is tank. Why? Most of the area of peninsular India, like Deccan Plateau, consists of undulating land and hard rock present over there, which are impervious and or non-porous. So rocks do not allow the water to shift through. That's why tank only suitable for this region. Now follow the question number 3. The water from the well is lifted for irrigation by options are Persian well, Charsa, Dingley, all of the above. The answer will be all of the above. All three are used. Now question number 4. Which of the following is the principal source of irrigation in India? Options are wells and tubewells, canals, tanks, none of the above. Answer is option A, wells and tubewells. Now come to the question number 5. The largest concentration of well irrigation is in. Options are UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, second, UP, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, third, Gujarat, UP, Bihar, and last one, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan. What will be the correct answer? The answer is first one, UP, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Now we come to the question number 6. Tubewell irrigation is sure to become more popular where groundwater is in plenty and canals very few, because first option, it can reduce the danger of water logging, which is a necessary evil associated with canal irrigation. First one. Second, power from electricity or diesel oil is available in some rural areas. Third, its working is simple. And last one, all of the above. What will be the answer? All 3 points are correct. So answer is all of the above. Now we come to the question number 7. Dash irrigation is popular in the peninsular plateau area of India, where Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are the leading state. Options are well, B, canal, C, tank, and last one, tubewell. What will be the correct answer? The answer is tank irrigation is popular in the peninsular India. In the question number 2, we already discussed this answer. So follow that question. Now we come to the question number 8. In east of the Ganga, the northern part of Ganga plain has few irrigation canal because. Why? Options are this area receives higher rainfall and has plenty of underground water. Second, here the terrain is not flat. Third, the construction of canals is very expensive because many rivers cross it. And last one, all of the above. So all 3 options are correct. That's why the answer will be all of the above. If you think this question answer session is very important for you or helpful for you, give one comment, like, subscribe, and share. Now look at your screen. Question number 9. Bhakra Dam built on which river? Options are Ravi, Satluj, Betwa, Chambal. What will be the answer? The answer is Satluj. Satluj is the tributary of Indus. Now follow the question number 10. The major canal of Andhra Pradesh are taken off from options Krishna, Mahanadi, Godavari, second Mahanadi Tungabhadra Kaveri, third Tungabhadra Krishna Godavari, and last one Krishna Narmada and Damodar. The right answer is option C, Tungabhadra, Krishna and Godavari. Now we come to the question number 11. Of the total irrigated area in India, Bhakra Canal system irrigates options 1.4%, B 3.6%, C 10.6% and last one 5.8%. What will be the correct answer? The option C 10.6%. Now we come to the question number 12. The water of which of the following rivers of India is used most extensively for irrigation? Options are Brahmaputra, Ganga, Mahanadi and Satluj. The correct answer is Ganga or Ganges. Now question number 13. Which of the following rivers is known as India's river of sorrow, or another name is there, sorrow of Bengal? The options are Tista, Koshi, Narmada and Satluj. The answer is Koshi. Why? Because every time this area flooded by the river Koshi. That's why. Now we come to the question number 14. Tubewells are used for irrigation in UP and Bihar because here options: water table is high, second soil is not soft, third there is ample of subsoil water, and last one all of the above. The answer is there is a ample of subsoil water. Now we move to the question number 15. It is easier to irrigate undulating land through options: trickle irrigation, tubewell irrigation, tank irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. Answer is sprinkler irrigation. It is a one type of system, includes the application of water in a form of spray like rainfall. That's why in any place we can place it. Question number 16. Eastern MP, Odisha, interior areas of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh have mere land under the options: canal irrigation, tank irrigation, well irrigation, none of the above. In the eastern part of MP, interior part of the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh having the canal irrigation. If you like my video, please share, comment and like and subscribe also, and motivate me to make more video which is helpful for you. Now we come to the question number 17. Of all the types of irrigation, which type of irrigation is the cheapest, easier and most efficient? The options are well irrigation, tank irrigation, canal irrigation and dam irrigation. Now see what will be the correct answer. The answer is option C, canal irrigation. Now question number 18. In the Punjab Haryana state, irrigation is provided by the cables which take off from options: the Ravi, the Satluj, the Yamuna and all of the above. What will be the correct answer? The answer is all of the above. The Ravi, Satluj and Jamuna, all three are the correct. Now we come to the last part of our question answer session. See question number 19. Intensity of irrigation ranks very high only in those areas which are options: fertile and dry land, fertile and alluvial plains drained by the large rivers, third fertile clay plains which are not drained by the river, and last one none of these. So what will be the answer? So from this option, first option we easily reject. Second option, fertile land, which is correct, and drained by the large river, that is correct. And another one, C, option C, fertile clay plains which are not drained by the river. If the river or water not drained, that is not helpful. So option B is the correct answer, that fertile alluvial plains are drained by the large river. Today's last question, question number 20. To reduce the salinity of water, wells are dug. Options: away from ponds, B. away from rivers, C. near ponds or in depression where water collects during rainy season, and last one, none of the above. What will be the correct answer? Here written, to reduce the salinity of the water. So answer is option C, near ponds or in depression where the water collect during the rainy season. Today we done our question answer session. Thanks for watching, and give one comment in comment section if you like, or if any queries if you have, give also in comment. So today bye bye class, and thank you once again.